Service and IT Distribution R&R, together with TerraMaster, is proud to present the 2024 fall new product line, the F8 SSD Plus and the F8 SSD, an all M.2 small factor NAS. Powerful, speedy and quiet, all powered by the new TOS 6, which is releasing in September. The T8 SSD Plus is a high IOPS NAS with a very small form factor. It has 71 to 90,000 IOPS with your 8 M.2 base, and it has a single 10 gigabit Ethernet port. 16 gigabytes of DDR5 can be expanded to 32 gigabytes, 8 cores and 8 threads. But the size is what makes this a very valuable office worker, because the size, it's literally in the palm of your hand. Literally in the palm of your hand. Let's take a quick look what's inside the box. As you can see, TerraMaster has now made a different packaging type. The new boxes are quite nice, to be honest. Premium quality. When you first open the lids, you will be greeted with the TerraMaster envelope. This might be only in the preview review units. There will be a user manual. There will be the NAS itself. And you will also have an equipment box with your accessories. Inside the accessory box you will find a Cat 6 cable, a few tools, power supply, and the power cable, and 2 M.2 screws. Now these are the heat sinks. The heat sinks might actually be changed because there was an issue with the rubber bands and on the review units, so this might be changing to the official release of the unit. Here's the backside of the NAS, and the first 100 customers will get $100 or euro off. Here is some system specs. It's pretty good. Overall, it's pretty good for the size. We highly recommend this one, to be honest.